How to share screen in Google Meet. So there are three ways on how to do this. So first, just make sure that you already have your Google Meet created and you're already inside the meeting. Then click on the share screen button here on the middle. And as you can see, there are three options that you can pick from, which is sharing your tab, sharing your window, or your entire screen right here. So sharing your tab means that you're sharing a tab within your browser. So as you can see, I have my YouTube opened here on my browser in another tab, so I could share that if I want. For the window ones is the windows that are currently opened in my computer or my laptop. So as you can see right here, I have my OBS opened, I have my browser opened or my Brave browser opened, and I also have my File Explorer open right here. So that's why it is detected here on the Windows section. And you could also share your entire screen. So I have two monitors. That's why I have the screen one and screen two. But if you only have one monitor, it will just show the screen one right there. And let's say I want to share my window right here, and I'm going to share this OBS recording, and I'm going to click on that particular window and I'm going to click on share. And now, as you can see, it is now shared on my screen and now I'm currently presenting it. And that's how you basically do it.